Hey, good morning. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and just got home from an easy 13-mile ride. And easy because I had a race yesterday, I had a really hard ride last weekend, and so today was meant to be more kind of just easy day recovery. And as always, I had some adventures along the way. And this is kind of backwards because I am already home from my ride and everything. So this is going first, and then you'll see the video of my mini adventure while out on my ride. And since it was like a recovery endurance ride, I didn't really mind stopping and helping a little fella out. So hope you enjoy. I know, I'm weird. I talk to animals and stuff. Did see one nope rope, a snake. For those of you who don't know the term nope rope, there was a bird around it and it wasn't moving, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume it was dead. And then saw a cute little bunny rabbit. Didn't get to stop and take a picture of it because I saw it, I was like, ah, and then it was gone. And then on my drive home, I drove kind of some back roads to see if my little buddy was no longer attempting impending death across the road. So I actually saw a groundhog as well. No, maybe not wildlife, but, in the suburbs of the area, it's wildlife enough. So, alright. Hope you enjoy my bizarre short video of Moonbeam Honeysuckle's adventures. See you later. Peace. Alright. You're messing up my flow, turtle. Well, come on. Come on. Let a turtle die on my watch. Now you better not try to cross the road again, because I brought you to the other side, all right, buddy? All right? All right. Have a good day. Bye, bud.